Hey, it's Kay. Hope you're feeling cute today. Welcome back to my channel. These days, we've all been creating our own content at home. Some of us do self-portraits like me, and some of us do product content shoots. And for today's video, we will be doing a DIY home photo shoot with a product, which is a handbag. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I've only been using 1 to 2 bags in most of my styling videos and other videos, sometimes no bag at all. And that's mainly because I don't buy a lot of bags, and the bags that I own pretty much go well with most of my outfits, so I just end up using those bags repeatedly. But I have been wanting to spice up my outfits with more colorful statement bags, which brings us to our partner for today's video, SINBONO. So SINBONO gifted me this beautiful leather handbag, and we will be using this for our DIY photo shoot today. But before that, let's talk about SINBONO. SINBONO is a brand that is well known for their trendy and chic designs inspired by high fashion. But what makes SINBONO special is that their products are cruelty-free, environmental friendly, and also sustainable. So this is what I got in the mail last week. It came in a lilac or gray box, and it has a few dents, but it came from overseas, so I guess that's understandable. The box is very sturdy for me, and it was able to protect the bag inside. And when you open this box, you will see a dust bag. And then, of course, we have the bag inside. So this is nice because you have another level of protection for the bag. And this is what the bag looks like. It's so pretty! So this is the Evelyn shoulder bag in Lake Blue. When I was browsing the SINBONO website, this bag really caught my eye because the color is so beautiful and the design is so classic. And this is my first time owning a blue bag like this one because I have a green bag, a yellow bag. I have one in purple, but I don't have a blue bag, so I decided to pick this. When I got it, I thought I was only going to receive a regular strap like this one. This is the regular strap, but when I got it, I also got a gold chain with it, which I really love. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the regular strap. The quality is really nice in person. When you touch it, you instantly know that it's a very high quality leather. And anyone who knows me know that I don't buy expensive bags. So if I were to compare this with the bags that I own, this is on another level. SINBONO makes sure that their designs are timelessly stylish and also very sturdy. So even though trends come and go, their bags will remain stylish throughout the years, and you don't have to buy more and more bags since their bags will go well with most of your outfits. SINBONO bags are also vegan and cruelty-free, which means that no animals were harmed to create their beautiful signature handbags. They're made from recycled plastic bottles and reclaimed fruit leather. And of course, they also made sure that their price range is also accessible to everyone without sacrificing the value of the materials that were used to create this beautiful bag. I love it so much, and I'm so excited to style it. The first look is very simple yet very classy at the same time. I just wore my matching blazer and skirt set. And I also decided to wear this gold chain choker just to match with the gold chain for the bag. This outfit looks really classy for me, and I love how the Evelyn bag added a pop of blue to my black and white outfit. For my photos here, I just wanted to show the contrast between the colors and also the texture. This is another classy look, but this time we did some layering with gold jewelries and pearl detailing. I went for that all-black look with this padded blazer and flare pants with the chunky boots. I really love this gold chain, and since it matches my jewelries, I decided to use it for the bag again. And since I'm already wearing all black, I decided to make the background plain just to make sure that the bag stands out. The third look is what I would probably wear to a party. I'm still wearing the same jewelries and this gorgeous blue dress. And of course, the Evelyn bag. I really love how the blue colors pop out in this outfit. To spice up the look, you can also wear your black blazer like this. For the photos, you can do casual poses or fun poses with your fingers. And this would also be cuter if you had cute nails. The fourth and last look is another blue outfit. Since this is the perfect time to wear blue, I just wore this velvety blue button-up top with the same flare pants and chunky boots from earlier. This time I wore the regular blue strap for the bag and it looks so good. For the pictures, you can do some standing or sitting poses. And to add more personality, you can also add some text for your background and use a similar blue color just so it won't look out of place. In this generation's rise in overconsumption, it's really great to know that there are brands like SINBONO who encourages people to be more mindful of the environment, plus also being able to produce such high quality bags and fashion accessories for everyone. And I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the styling, the photo shoot, and the review for SINBONO bags. I love it so much and I'm sure you will love it too. If you're interested in SINBONO, please go check them out on Instagram, which is @SINBONO_official, and on their website, sinbono.com. And I'll also be putting a discount code for you guys on the description box below. You don't have to use it, but if you want a discount to get their bags, you're more than free to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. Hello, if you've been here for a while, you know that I love doing creative home photo shoots. I love styling clothes and shoes, and also trying out new and interesting stuff. And because you guys give my content so much love, recently a few brands have been reaching out to me for collaboration, and I'm so thankful for that. Thank you. Thank you.